Somehow I managed to get to the age of 32 without really ever using a Polaroid. So when a friend of mine said, hey, I'm going to sell this thing soon, would you like to use it first? I thought, heck yes. So I grabbed it off of him, bought myself some film, decided where I was going, and went out and shot it. Yes. That went better than I thought it was going to. This photo was taken using the film that was still in the Polaroid when my friend gave it to me. So as you can tell, it's pretty old and therefore expired. I'm not sure what happened with this one, but I still like the vibe of it. Okay, so I've gone through like 5 or 6 photos so far, and a lot of them are slightly overexposed. It's a really sunny day. I don't really have any way to fix that, so I'm just gonna have to play around, see if I can get some photos in better lighting. Realistically, it would have been great if I'd like bought maybe like an ND filter with me that would have covered the lens, but hey ho, that's what hindsight's for. Also, here's Sarah.
Hello.
Ooh, oh my god, this is way wobblier than I thought it would be. Yeah, trying to film this was the wrong move. Oh, American Ninja Warrior, come at me. Okay, so I used this thing, I don't know if you've heard of it, called the internet, and I found out that actually I was wrong in the previous clip, and that you can adjust the exposure settings by, I think it's like a half step up or down. There's like underneath the flash, there's a little step that has a minus, a middle, and a plus. So I put it to the minus, and we'll see if that helps, and if it doesn't, then the internet has lied to me. Wouldn't be the first time. This is honestly maybe my favourite from the whole day. I don't know what it is about it. I think it just came out exactly how I planned it in my head. It's time to go black and white. There we go. Done this once, still can't remember how to do it the second time. just completely wrecking the box. One clue, light behind you. It's Polaroid. Okay. Ready to go. Okay, that's all the black and white done. That film was definitely expired, but the friend who's lent me the camera just gave me that film, so I wasn't going to not shoot it. Also, great lighting for this video, Steve. Good job. There we go. Yeah, I am there. Last pack of colour. See what we can get. This is another photo I'm pretty happy with. It's nothing special, but again, it just came out exactly how I wanted it to. Will it come out? So weirdly, I really enjoyed using an instant camera. I was fully expecting to dislike it because it's a lot of faff. But actually, like, the whole process was kind of fun. I tell you one thing though, if and when I get an instant camera, it's probably more of a when than an if, I won't be buying Polaroid. It was like £40 for 16 shots.
Now that's a little too much.
That is insane. Another company that rhymes with OneStep is way cheaper, so I'm probably going to end up going down their line. I'd love to hear from you guys though whether you own a Polaroid or a OneStep, and whether you use it regularly or whether it just sits on the side collecting dust, because I can't honestly think of like a proper use case for instant cameras other than like parties or like if you're maybe traveling. The reason that I kind of want one is for if I go abroad, it'd be quite cool to be able to come back and have like physical memories of them rather than just the digital copies. But yeah, it was a really fun little different kind of video to do. I enjoyed it. As I say, I don't know how I've got to the age of 32 without really ever shooting one. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Like the video if you like the video, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I will catch you guys in the next one.